Hi Joel, this is where my relocation story begins, and I am now applying my documents to a German visa center in Moscow for a visa D, which I will hopefully receive, and then I'll travel to Berlin and apply for my residence permit there. Here we go, my hands are shaking. So I have received a visa from 15th of April until 15th of July, I think. And these are the dates when I'm supposed to be in Berlin, sorting my things out and receiving my residence permit. That's it. Yay! Okay, so here I am in Istanbul, Turkey. So I'm flying to Berlin through Istanbul. I'm staying here for the night. I'm at the airport. And yeah, I've been looking for the information point and I did find it. So here's the information point. No one there. Not the most comfortable airport at all. Wouldn't recommend it. Yeah, there's like no one to ask if you have some questions. Okay, so check this out. You kind of gotta like scan your passport to receive a code for your Wi-Fi. Doesn't work. Yes, it worked. Okay, so I did find a working information point and the person helped me loads and helped me out with the code and all the rest. So now I finally got Wi-Fi and I can check which route I need to take from the airport in Istanbul. It's Sabiha, I think it's called, and to my hotel. And if you go out of the airport and you want to go back in, then you have to go through another check. Okay, so I think I found the metro, the underground, so that's where I'll be going first. It seems that I'll just have to risk it and buy this thing because this can't be paid with cash, so I'll just take this. Cash. You can buy the Istanbul card. Okay. Okay. Please take your card. I hope this works. It didn't give me any money back also. So, okay. This was risky, but it worked. I thought it was only going to give me a card without any cash on it, but I think all the cash that I have left inside the machine that went onto this card. And I am going over here. Okay, so I literally just checked on the map where I'm supposed to go, and the only familiar words that I found were that I have to exit on D100. So I guess the first and second entrance is for me, probably the second because there's like a bus there. So yeah, let's go. Thank God Google Maps actually track the location even if you don't have internet. So yeah, I got here. I think overall it's a nice place to stay as long as you don't have to spend here too much time. Okay, so I'm out for a walk to grab some food. I just been to a place where literally everyone smokes inside. In Turkey, everyone loves kitties. They even build houses for them. And the view, well, in the morning, it's absolutely stunning. This is literally why I chose the room that I chose in the hotel. Because of the view of the sea, the sound of the waves, those little ships around. It's just so stunning. The hotel where I stayed wasn't too good. Wasn't good at all, I would say, actually.
but it was okay, simply because of the sea next to the room. So if you're not too fussy about the design, I would advise it to you.
Very little amount of people actually speaks English here, so if you travel, you better make out your route before you go, because the SIM cards for internet are super expensive here, especially in the airport. If you are traveling to somewhere that's not like the middle of the city, you will not find any SIM cards. Well, I didn't. And people are trying to help. They even take the translators out and try to translate it to you, but still the language difference is very big, and almost no one speaks English. If you do actually need some help, your probably only option is someone who works at the metro. Like at the start, when you go through through those barriers, there will be someone who speaks English. And this is where I'll be going, on that side. Yay! I managed. Okay.
When I arrived to the airport, I decided to take some time to look around, and I found a place that was called a terrace. I wasn't expecting a smoking room. Okay, then I went around and I found a female mosque, and I thought, what the hell, why not? And it turned out to be a very nice, quiet place to stay where women just spend some time to rest without all the loud noises around and without the crowd.
Okay, so I have landed in Berlin, and I received my passport, and suddenly somebody came in to meet me. Yes, this one's here. Yes, Jaya. So yeah, super happy because I have this massive suitcase here that is like super heavy. So yeah, at least I'll have the person to help me out to get it to the apartment. Okay, so I finally got to the flat. It took me about 1.5 hours. It took us, me and Jenya, 1.5 hours to reach here because she has left her bag on the metro station. Thankfully, someone picked it up and moved it to the police. So she picked it up from there. But anyways, I got to my flat, and now I think I'll just take a little bit of time to rest, grab some food, a beer, and for the moment, just take a look at the view. It's absolutely stunning.
This is the view from the apartment that I've found on Airbnb for long term. You can search for long term apartments there too. Very good. And for the food, I missed these döners so much.
So this is the morning of the next day. I am now going to the
Schöneberg Bergeramt. That was like the biggest central location for Anmeldung and probably some other administration stuff. This building has the heaviest doors I have ever tried and a lot of beautiful detail. My friend Zhenya has made an appointment for me a couple of weeks before I have arrived, and on the next day after my arrival, I went in to make my Anmeldung. I'm not sure what other things happen in this building, but it looks quite big and important.
So there's the room where I'll be going for receiving my Meldung. There's like a queue at the moment, so I'll just go and wait outside. At the set time when my appointment was scheduled, my number came out on the screen. So I came in with my documents to one of the windows, one of the tables. I was asked for the paper from the landlord saying that I have arrived and that I live in the apartment. Also, since I'm divorced, I was asked for my marriage and divorce papers in translation from the original language. And a form, this form here, you can take a look at it. So, yeah, that was super fast. She has entered all the information into the computer, gave me a piece of paper with that information to read. I have confirmed it, signed it, and then I received my registration. That's it. It was super fast, super easy, and everything went like very chill. Great.
To me, Berlin is a place where different cultures mix together so well. It's not even about mixing, it's more like annihilation, if you know such word. I hope it's the correct one. For example, look at this old piece of a train station. It's still there, it's still integrated into the park, into the city, but it's on its own. It's a piece of history that is there for people to see. To me, this city is alive. Everyone in it has a place to be with their views, with the way they see things, with the way they want to speak out, show up, and it's very brave. I think it's a very brave city. I think this is enough for today. I have got loads of footage yet to come, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to press like and leave your comment. This was Cult Tonica. Thank you.